The new Everio, even slimmer and more stylish than before. Anyone can record superb videos, anytime, anywhere, with ease. Let's get started. Just open the LCD and the power turns on. And the lens cover automatically opens too. You're ready to shoot in about 1 second. With an HD Everio model, you can record detailed full HD video footage. Shooting is made simpler with the newly evolved laser touch operation. Trigger and zoom can be operated using the controls next to the LCD too. Different ways of shooting are now possible. Get impressive high-quality close-ups with dynamic zoom. The newly developed strap fits snugly against the camera when not in use. So small, so light, you can shoot more actively than ever before. Never miss that once-in-a-lifetime moment. Enjoy your videos to the fullest. With Everio, you can share and carry them with ease. Connect to a large screen TV and show off your videos right away. You can also upload your videos to YouTube and share them with the world. Just press the Upload button. This launches the software, so all you do is follow the on-screen directions. Your video is uploaded for everyone to enjoy. You can share your memories with family living far away. Wouldn't you like to carry special moments with you all the time on your iPod? With Everio, that's simple too. The videos and photos you've taken can easily be added to your iTunes library. See how easy it is to import special moments into your iPod or iPhone and show them around. With Everio, archiving your videos onto disk is also a one-touch operation. Use the optional share station and you can burn DVDs directly without the need for a PC. With an HD Everio model, you can even burn JVC HD DVDs. You can relive your memories with the full impact of Full HD. What's more, the new Everio line comes with valuable innovative features. Equipped with a high bitrate recording mode for unprecedented quality, as well as a newly developed imaging engine. The face detection function detects human faces and automatically optimizes focus and exposure. Up to 16 faces can be detected simultaneously. Digest playback creates a best scenes clip with one-button ease. Since 60 minutes of footage is condensed into 5 minutes of highlights, you'll have an easy time checking the contents. Supplied PC software is easier to use. Everio Media Browser handles everything from recorded data management and playback to one-touch functions. The Everio family for 2009 comprises a diverse lineup differentiated by recording media and format. HD Everio is available in hard disk and SD card types. The SD card type is the world's first to be equipped with dual slots. Standard definition models are also available in HDD and SD card types. In addition to dual slot models, there is also one that offers a combination of a single slot plus built-in 16 GB memory. More stylish, more attractive, the new line features a wider variety of colors. A variety of optional accessories. Battery packs for longer shooting time. Conversion lenses to support your creative shooting. Wide conversion lenses let you get more into each scene. Easy carrying with bags and pouches. And a convenient accessory kit is available. Spanning the spectrum with a diverse lineup and stylish color variations. Choose the Everio that's right for you and record to your heart's content. And after that, share right away or carry it around and enjoy everything you've wanted to do and more. Everio, every way you can.
The perfect experience, JVC.